The 2010 Toyota Highlander Limited. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 27 miles per gallon. This Toyota features hill descent control, 4-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, power windows, and third-row seating. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.